Hi everyone, today we are going to see about how the match's outer box is made. I'm going to show you from the scratch level.
We are going to see this get converted into this.
There are totally 5 stages in order to get this final output.
The 5 stages are trimming,
Printing, screening, pasting, cutting. The final is silding process. After the silding process, the output will be like this.
The first stage is trimming. Let's go see it. These are the raw materials which they get from their clients. This is the pre-pressed trimming section. See how it became even after the trimming process. Second stage is printing section. They are feeding the trimmed cardboard here into the machine. What we are going to see now is screening section. Here they will be screening the chemical.
After screening process, it goes for cutting.
This is the cutting section.
So after cutting process, it goes to pasting. So after pasting process, it will be like this. After pasting process, it goes to silding process. In silding process, they are converting from this to this. The product is totally over. This is the final product. So I hope everyone know how this process was done now. It was really nice being with everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon on next video.